Happy Valentine's Day from Drinks Made Easy. Today we're taking a look at a really easy to make cocktail called the Love Bug that will create an ombre when you first build it out. I've already mixed mine up, hence why there is no ombre. This drink originally calls for vodka, but I really tend to prefer gin in my vodka cocktails because there's just a lot more flavor there. Specifically today I'm using Bluecoat Elderflower Gin. It's one of my favorite gins. It's also part of the portfolio that I represent, but a lot of people tend to stay away from gins because they think of the London Dry style, which is really kind of pine heavy. It's because London Dry gins tend to have 10 to 100 times as much juniper as they have citrus in their overall construction of that gin. Bluecoat, as the original American dry gin, has roughly equal parts citrus and juniper, which leads to just a much more refreshing and less piney flavor. Specifically with this elderflower, we're using whole seed stems and flowers of elderflower, so it has all that juicy aspect with no sugar added. So if you're someone who's looking for more complexity in your drinks, check this out. If you don't like complexity in your life, stick with vodka. But without any further ado, let's build a love bug. This is a really simple drink, but part of the overall presentation of this is creating a nice little layered glass using strawberries cut into hearts as a nice little garnish. If you have a set of cocktail tongs, which I've misplaced mine, that is going to make things much more easy, or you can always use a bar spoon. And once you have your glass set, we're gonna go into layering this drink to create a bit of an ombre. So we'll start with half an ounce of grenadine, since that is our heaviest ingredient. If you like your drinks really sweet, you can add more grenadine. The original recipe calls for 1 ounce of grenadine, but I tend to prefer my drinks to be not quite so sweet. Next, we're gonna go with 1 ounce of cranberry. This is another area where you can modify it to be less sweet if you wanna use unsweetened cranberry. We're using standard cranberry cocktail. 1.5 ounces of Bluecoat Elderflower Gin. Original recipe calls for vodka, but I find there's a lot more depth of flavor with a great gin like Bluecoat Elderflower. And we're gonna top that off with Sprite. Garnish with one more strawberry heart and a straw. And easy as that, you have the Love Bug cocktail. So I'm gonna give it a little stir to integrate everything in. Yeah, I know I'm crushing the ombre out of it. Put that strawberry in there, give it a little sip. That's actually really delightful. This is, I would classify this as one of those dangerous cocktails. You're not gonna taste a tremendous amount of the booze, but the elements of the elderflower are gonna come out on the finishing aspects of the palate because we have that cranberry and Sprite and grenadine in there. A delicious, crushable cocktail. If you're not a big gin fan, try it with vodka. If you are a vodka fan and you're open to other flavors, highly recommend you check it out with Bluecoat Elderflower Gin. Bluecoat Elderflower does not have all those major juniper notes like most gins do, so you get all the flavor without the taste of pine. Check it out, let me know what you think. Cheers from Drinks Made Easy. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions or there's videos you want to see, whether they are with booze or without, please be sure to leave a comment. If you enjoyed it, be sure to smash the like button and share it with your friends. And if you hated it, well, tell your enemies about us. Cheers from Drinks Made Easy.